Carol from Propagate. Today we're going to plant some potatoes in the ground. So Stuart before had spoke about planting in containers, but today we're going to do it in the ground. So what we're going to do is split this into 2 rows. In the middle we'll have about 60 centimetres. On either side we'll have 15, and we're going to mound up in the middle so as we can then move that onto the potatoes as they grow, like Stuart spoke about before, like how we mound up our potatoes as they grow so as we can get as much potatoes as we can out of it. So I'm just going to get ready to do that, and then we'll maybe try and do a time lapse just so as we can quickly show you how we're going to plant all of them. Before we start planting the potatoes, we're going to prepare the ground, so we're just going to look and see if there's any weeds and stuff, and give it a bit of a looking through. It's quite dry, so we might water it as well. Okay, so that's us finished planting potatoes. We've got them on both sides with the mound in the middle, and yeah, it's going to rain tonight, so we're not going to put too much more water on, and we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. Propagate have a Facebook page, YouTube and Instagram. If you'd like to subscribe, then see the bottom below, and if you want to make a donation to the work that we do, then please do so. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye bye.